Okay, hey guys, everybody in Ghana, Africa. This is Theobama from Ghana. Everybody can come to Britco for your mobile phones, both services and training. You come, you have enough and then mature professionals to take you through the entire course. We do hardware, we do software, everything about smart gadgets. It is about Britco. Britco will give you a very professional training in terms of technicalities to repair the gadgets when they are faulty. It also specializes in what we call the chip level repairs. Britco will take you through a very theoretical and practical system to get every gadget in terms of a smart system back to life. That is Britco for you. Britco Dubai, Britco everywhere. Thank you.